the money is in the list. Now, this is something that you would have heard a lot of times. But the most difficult part in marketing or internet marketing is building a list. You need a lot of traffic to build a subscribers list and then market to them. But what if you could generate leads for free? Today's review is a simple little course that teaches you very simple method to generate a lot of free leads, and then how to go about warming up these leads and then marketing or promoting your products to them. You can use it for affiliate marketing, digital products, e-commerce products, anything that you want. And all of these leads are absolutely free. So let us look at Limitless Leads Machine, which is a simple little course. I'll walk you through the sales page. I'll tell you about what is included in this course. And I'll also talk you through about what are the things that I like about this product and why is it that I think it's a good purchase. So let's get started. Okay, so this is the Limitless Lead Machine sales page, and you can see here it's a very simple sales page. This product is being sold for $9.99. This is a core offer, the base offer, which is for the Limitless Lead Machine course. And there are a few upsells, but those upsells are actually not needed for you to follow what is being taught in this short video course. So it's entirely up to you if you want to go for that or not. But if you don't want to go for that, you can just go for Limitless Lead Machine as well, that is being sold for $9.99. Now, what is Limitless Lead Machine? Now, we all know that there are only two ways of capturing leads, and leads are an essential part of digital marketing, making money online. Now, there are only two ways that you can build a list. One is to either buy a list, or two is to drive traffic to your website or your blog, put together a lead magnet, an opt-in form, people sign up on the opt-in form for the lead magnet, and then you capture the list. Now, both of these are very time consuming. Now, the first one, which is buying a leads. Now, buying leads, it can be costly, but most of the people who buy leads ensure that they have a funnel that actually converts at such a high ROI that they are able to make money from the list that they are buying. Now, another big problem is that the cold list that you buy, they are absolutely cold subscribers, cold leads. And you need to warm them up first before you are able to promote any products or services to them. Now, the second part, which is building a list by driving traffic to your website, it can take a long time, a lot of time. And depending upon your traffic source, your lead magnet, and all of those things. Now, what this Limitless Lead Machine does is it helps you build cold email list, a list of cold leads, without having to buy this or having to spend money. What this does is it uses a free traffic source to build this list for you. So which means that you're going to build a cold email list. You need to warm them up. So you will not be able to use your normal autoresponder because you will get banned. So in this course, you also see a free autoresponder option that you can use to send emails to this cold list and warm them up before you're able to promote any product to these subscribers. Now, Limitless Lead Machine is a course that has been created by Dave Espino. Now, Dave is been into the internet marketing industry for quite some time, more than 20 years. I've seen some of his earlier products. His earlier products were also all amazing, high converting products. Now, Limitless Lead Machine, he's kept it very simple. It's a very simple video course that teaches you to do three things. I'll talk about that in a little while from now. Now, what does Limitless Lead Machine do? It builds you a list of cold subscribers without any ad cost, zero ad cost. You can build leads in any niche. You talk about any niche, you'll be able to build leads in that niche. It takes just a few minutes for you to set it up. You get free leads, which means you don't have to pay anything. And you can do this from anywhere in the world. So it's that simple a system. And it has only 3 steps in this entire system. It's 3 copy-paste steps. Now, what exactly does Dave Espino teach in this video? I don't want to reveal all of the secrets, but he talks about a very simple system which uses the Google search engine. So there is a search query that he uses to get email list, which you can then export And with the help of using ChatGPT, you can format them into leads and put it into a Google spreadsheet. And then you can import that into the autoresponder that I was talking about, a free autoresponder, send them email, warm them up, and then sell to them. So that's basically the entire system. And this leads that you're building, you can promote any kind of products to them. You can promote affiliate products, courses, e-commerce, high ticket products, anything that you want to promote to them, you'll be able to promote to them. So it's a very simple system, very simple course, only $9.99 on the front end. Like what I said, there are some back end upsells as well, but it is entirely up to you if you want to go for it or not. But otherwise, the system is good. It's proven. I've tried it, and you'll be able to build a good number of lists. But it entirely depends upon how you deal with that list that you're building to get the kind of effectiveness that you will expect from that kind of list. But otherwise, overall, the course is very simple, very effective, very good. So you can go ahead and check it out. I'll leave a link in the description box below. Go ahead and check it out. The course comes with a 30-day money back guarantee. If for some reason you're not liking the course or you don't find value in this course, you can always go ahead, get your money refunded. But I don't think you will do that because the course is very effective and it's very simple and easy to follow. So go ahead and check the link in the description box below. And if you like it, then go buy it. And do let me know your thoughts. If you have any questions, you can drop them in the comments below. I hope you found this review valuable. If you did, then do give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to this channel and click the bell notification so that you stay updated with all of the latest videos that I release. And if you have any questions around this product or any other product, you can leave them in the comments below and I'll respond to all of that. I'll be back again with another product review. Until then, keep watching. This is goodbye from Dilip.